everyone. Today we'll learn some different origamis. First is a pigeon, next is a steamboat, next is a fish, then a cutie bird. Let's start making it. Now we'll make a cutie bird. The materials required are a glue bottle, 2 googly eyes and a favorite color paper. Now let's start folding it. Now we'll fold it like this. Okay? Here, see, it should get pointed here. Okay? Then press it. Okay, you'll get it like this. Just unfold it. You'll get a line here. Then you have to do it like this. The same thing in the other side. Okay? Now we finish. Now you have to fold it in that side and make it sharp. Then you have to fold it like this. Okay? Then again you have to fold it like this and here. Okay? Now you have to fold. You can see a line here. You have to fold it according to that and you'll get it like this. Then again you have to fold it here. So you'll get inside like this here. Okay? The same thing you have to do it here. Okay, we finished here. Now we'll do the head here. Just you can see a gap here. Just fold it like this. It's like the beak here. Okay? Next we'll stick the googly eyes. Okay? I've taken here glue. Then we'll stick the googly eyes. Here I have to put the glue. Then stick it here. Okay, we sticked one eye, we'll stick the another eye. Don't press it too much or else it will come out. Again we'll stick it here. Oh, now we made a bird. See here, it's flying and going. And here also. See, the wings are up. See the bottom. See the side. And here the beak. And the wings. Yeah, it's flying and going. We go to the next one. Next we'll make steam ship. So I have here a black sketch pen and a favorite color paper. Here I am using here pink. First we'll keep the sketch pen side. First you have to fold it here. Okay, then the same thing here also in other side also. Okay, you'll get 4 sides here. Just sharpen that. Okay. Now turn back and just fold it like this. Okay, then you have to fold it like this. Then again like this. Okay, now here you can see a line, no? Just fold it. Oops, we made a mistake. We have to do it a little bit up. Yeah, we made it fix. Next, we have to fold it like this way. The white should be seen outside. Then, you have to fold it like this. See? Like this. Then sharpen it to fold it in the white. Pink will come here. Okay. Now open that. You can see a line here. Here you have to fold it like this. Then like this. Okay, we made a steam ship. Now we'll just give the details. We'll take the black sketch pen and give the details. Okay, then color that. These are the windows and here one. Okay, we finished giving the details this side. Now we'll give it in the other side, the same thing. Okay, we gave the details. And now see, the ship is ready. See, it's steaming and going. Okay, we'll go to got the next one. See, and here also. Now we'll start making angel fish. First, we'll start it here like this. Okay, then the same thing for this side also. Okay, now fold it like this. Okay, next we'll do it like this. You can see a pocket like this. Just do it. Just make it sharpen or else it becomes a mistake. And here also the same thing backside also. See. The same thing this side also. Okay. Next we will do it like this. Then the same thing, but we go it a bit that side. Just sharpen it. Okay, now we've made a fish. Now we'll just give the details. Okay, first we'll give it like this. Then like this. Then like this. Then like this. Then like this. Okay, the tail also the same. Here, give it like this. Then you have to color everything like with black. Okay. Here also color it with black. And here also the same thing. Okay, we finished doing it. Now we'll just stick the eyes. Okay. Now we'll just open that and just stick it here. Okay. Then we'll stick it like this. And we'll add a smiley here. Yeah, can you see here the fish? And here also, see it's swimming and going. We go to the next craft. And here also, see the back. And the side, see this side also. And here, see. We'll go to the next one. Now we'll make a cutie bird. Now let's start folding it. Okay, then we'll fold it like this. Okay, we finished folding it. You can see a line here. Just go through the line. Okay, the same thing this way. Okay, you will get it like this. Then just turn it. Here it should come, it should get folded to this line. See, you can see it here like this. Next, you have to fold it like this. You have to take this and just go through that line, okay? And just sharpen it. And here also, okay? You'll get it like this. Next, just open the line. Here, you'll get it like here. Just go through the line like this. this also. Okay, you'll get it like this. Next, you have to fold it like this. Then like this. Okay, now you have to fold it. You can see the line here. Just fold it. Okay. If you fold it, you'll get it like this. Next, we'll make the beak here. See here. It will go inside, but you have to make it outside a bit because that's a beak. It should be seen outside. Okay, we finished the beak. Now we'll just stick googly eyes. Here. Yeah, stick it. Okay, we stick this side. We'll just stick the same thing that side. Here also the same thing. Yeah. Oh, we finished. We forgot the one thing. It's okay, we'll just fold it. Yeah. It's a cutie bird. See this side. See the down part. See the side part it's pointing. See here. This is the beak. This is the leg. And here also, see inside. Yeah.